there, Chef Grace Goudie here again with my signature one pot shot. Except this time, I'm gonna change it up a bit. I'm gonna show you a breakfast one pot shot. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm really bad at eating breakfast and remembering to eat breakfast. So my New Year's resolution for 2021 is to make sure I eat breakfast every single day. I think this recipe will be a game changer for those of you that don't eat breakfast. We're gonna do a turmeric and chai oatmeal. This is dairy-free and gluten-free. So our ingredients for this breakfast one pot shot, we have oat milk, old-fashioned rolled oats, maple syrup, turmeric, black tea, and then chai spices, which is ginger, star anise, cloves, cinnamon, and black pepper. For the chai, you can buy it pre-made at the store in a tea bag and steep it in the oat milk, or you can do what I do. I get black tea and all the spices separately. That way I can toast all the spices and get a nice toasty flavor. So to start, we're gonna make our oat milk turmeric chai mixture. First, turn on your heat. You're gonna want it on medium high because we're gonna toast the spices first. So here I have star anise, clove, black pepper, and cinnamon. We wanna toast it a little bit just until it's fragrant. As soon as you put the spices in, wait till you smell the strong aroma of the spices, and that's when you know they're fully toasted. Up next, we're gonna add our oat milk. Now I'm using 1 cup of oats to 2 parts or 2 cups of oat milk. The oats will soak up all that liquid, so make sure the ratio is 1 part oats to 2 parts liquid. Now you're gonna wanna bring that up to a simmer, and while it's doing that, I'm gonna put the ginger in. And just like making tea, you're gonna let that all steep together. Don't forget the black tea bags. Once your spices have steeped in the oat milk for about 30 minutes, you wanna make sure to get all of those spices out. You can use a fine mesh strainer or a slotted spoon like I have. Once you dispose of all the spices, it's time to add the turmeric and then the oatmeal, and then you're done. It's time to add the turmeric. Turmeric's a great little spice because not only does it have a beautiful color, it provides anti-inflammatory health benefits. Fun fact about turmeric is that if you don't put the black pepper with it, you won't get those health benefits. The black pepper helps to activate the turmeric. So you're gonna bring the oat milk and turmeric mixture up to a simmer. I'm gonna lower my heat and add the oats. I came up with this recipe when I was at my local coffee shop and I was having a golden milk latte. And I was thinking, how can I take a latte and make it into a breakfast idea? And this is where I got it. All right, so now that the oats are added, I'm gonna put it on a medium heat and I'm gonna let the oats just cook in the milk. And once the oats have fully soaked up the milk, you're all done. I'm gonna wait to add the maple syrup until after the oats are fully cooked. That way the sugar in the syrup doesn't burn. Now that the oatmeal is thickening up, as you can see here, the oats have soaked up the turmeric meal. I'm gonna lower that heat. I'm gonna add the maple syrup. This will give it some sweet goodness. Stir it all around, incorporate it, and as easy as that, you have a one pot breakfast shot.